So in this video we're going to talk about linear search in Python. So linear search is where we can search for a target item in a list of values. So suppose we have a list with values like 2, 0, 1, 5 and so on. Now in a linear search, if we are looking for this value, this target value, so we're gonna compare with every value in the list. So first of all we're gonna compare with the first value, then the second value and so on till the end of that list. So if we found any match, in that case we're gonna return the index of that item. So it is called linear search because it checks each item in the list one by one sequentially. Now it has the time complexity. So the best case is when we find the element in the first position. So in that case it will have the time complexity of O1. In a worst case, when we do not find the element in the list, in that case it will have the time complexity of On, where n is the size of that list. And in average cases it will have the time complexity of On. So let's now see how we can do the linear search in Python. So here we're going to create one function linear search, and it will take one list of items and the target element. Now here inside we're going to use one for loop. So the for loop will run in the range from 0 to the length of that array. Now here inside we're going to compare the values. So if the element at the index I matches with the target value, in that case we're going to return the index of that position. So when we found the item, then we're going to return the index. This way we're going to loop through the whole list, and at the end if we found that the item is not in the list, so in that case we're going to return -1. So let's now create the list. So suppose we have a list of items 2, 1, 5, 0, 4, 3 and so on, and suppose we have the target item of 5. So let's now call the function linear search, and we're going to pass the list of item, and also we're going to send the target. Now this will return the result. So if the result is not equal -1, that means we found the value. So in that case we're going to print found element, then here we're going to print the value target at index, and here we're going to print the value of the index. So the result is the index. So else if we do not found that item, in that case we're going to print element not found. So let's now run this. So you can see found element 5 at the index 2. So let's now pass one element that is not in the list, like the value 10, and let's now run this. So now we're getting the output element not found. So this way we can implement linear search in Python. So hope you understand about linear search in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.